Hello guys, my name is Shant and welcome to my YouTube channel Mr. HR. Today we are going to create the best professional resume for your career growth by doing analyzing and doing the research how the top MNC companies are hiring and hiring process. कैसे हायर करते हैं उसके रिगार्डिंग जैसे कि गूगल हो गया, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, मेटा, अमेजन जो भी कंपनीज है उनका हायरिंग प्रोसेस को एनालाइज करके हम आज एक बेस्ट प्रोफेशनल रेज्यूमे क्रिएट करने वाले हैं गाइस. So here the most eight important sections are there to create the best professional resume and to be selected by the application tracker system ATS checker. The first one is contact information, second one is professional summary, third one skills, fourth one work experience, fifth one is educational details, sixth one is certification, seventh one is projects, and eighth one is awards and achievement. Add everything these details section by section in your resume to be selected in the first round of interview by the ATS checker. It will help you a lot, guys. We will explain one by one in detail and explain how we can add the details one by one. To create a professional resume, firstly add your contact information on the top of your resume like name, mobile number, email ID, location on the top of your resume. That will helps you to trigger by the HR to shown basic information about yourself. Second one and the most important thing is that professional summary. Add the best professional summary into your resume. If you are a fresher, use the AI tools like ChatGPT and Google Gemini to add the summary. Give the best prompt to it and get the best and very short and understandable summary from the AI tools to add in your resume. And the third one was skill. It's a very important section in every resume. If a particular HR is hiring for a particular position, they will hire the candidate based on their skills according to the job description by adding the keywords in ATS checker. That's why add your technical skills and non-technical skills into your resume that will highlight your skills on the ATS checker. दैट्स वाई ये स्किल्स वाला जो सेक्शन है आपको हेल्प करेगा आपका रिज्यूमे शॉर्टलिस्ट होने के लिए. एंड द फोर्थ वन वाज वर्क एक्सपीरियंस. एड द वर्क डिटेल्स लाइक योर कंपनी नेम और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नेम वेर यू previously worked for and how many years of experience do you have, and also from date to date of your experience, and also add your roles and responsibilities into your resume. Keep the roles and responsibilities very short and clear. Fifth one was educational details. Add your educational details where you recently passed out. If you are a graduate or a postgraduate, add your degree name, college, place, and year of completion. Keep it very simple and clear. That will help to HR that can identify the details very easily. And the next sections are like certifications, projects, awards, and achievements. If you have any certifications on any course, add the certifications over here. If you did any projects in your educational duration, add the projects over here. Or else, if you have any achievements and awards, please add the achievements award in these sections. Make sure keep every details clear and very short. By following these steps, if you create the resume, that will help you to crack the any kind of interviews very easily. Why? Because this format is very simple and easy to understand. That's why. Make sure create your resume in one page and also keep your resume very simple and clear, and also add the every sections one by one, and also create your particular resume for your particular job and use the bulletin point to highlight the information. So this is how you can create the best professional resume to crack the any kind of interviews. So guys, if you find so video informative, please share this video and also subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for further updates. Why? Because we will share the information about job updates like work from home and work from office opportunity for both fresh and experienced candidate in IT and non-IT domain, and also we'll share the AI updates and also resume creation, and also we'll share the interview question and interview preparation strategies. That's why subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for further updates. Thank you very much for watching. Keep missing us on YouTube. Just hungry for the updates, guys.